Good morning. So this one will be a super short update, just checking in with you guys and, clarifying something about the discussion which we're using as new features on D2L. It looks like most of you who have posted have understood exactly what I was intending to communicate. But I can see how, for a couple of people who seem not to have picked up on exactly what I intended, how my format in the schedule may have contributed to that. So if you look at the discussions on the schedule sheet, you'll notice that they are listed as often as 3 post assignments. For example, discussion 1 had a first post that was listed as an activity for Monday of this week, and then it had a second and third post listed as a 40-point activity for Tuesday. Because the discussions exist as, let me rephrase. That refers to an original thread as the first discussion post under a new topic is called on D2L, and then to replies to other posts, so to other students' threads under the same topic. Sorry, I keep getting distracted staring at my own face. I notice when the camera's this close that it shows how my eyes are lopsided. And that's distracting. Sorry. So in any case, most of the discussions, all of the ones that are on the schedule and have that show up multiple times and have a 20-point post and then a 40-point post that follows, are referring to 3 posts to the same topic. 20 points for your original thread, 40 points for 2 responses to be posted in the next day or two, allowing time for your classmates to get on and post. So that's what's going on there. It seemed prudent in the gradebook in D2L to leave that as 1 assignment because the discussion ties into the gradebook that way. So on your sheet, it shows a 20-point assignment for a first post and a 40-point assignment for a second and third post. And in the gradebook, it will show 1 grade slot for a 60-point discussion assignment. So the points for a given discussion will post to the gradebook once, even though you're posting multiple times to earn those points. It was great to see people up and active and starting to interact over the last couple of days. Appreciate those of you who have been in contact and who are trying to get started. I recognize that things are difficult, okay? We are going to stick with this schedule. I am going to hold you accountable for the work, but deadlines are always flexible. Email me. However you can get the work to me is valid. So if you're having a hard time posting and you need to email me an assignment directly, even in the body of the email, that's fine. And you could, put your original thread there and your responses there. It means no one will respond to you directly because it's not on the discussion link. But if the discussion link isn't working for you for some reason, get me the work however you can. Okay. Also, all due dates are super flexible. I do intend to try to encourage you / hold you accountable by posting zeros at the end of the week. But any work you do will come in without late work penalties. from this point on, so far as I am concerned. That's how I work online at the academy. It's how I'm going to work online here. So please, 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 you don't want to let this pile up on you. It's a lot of work. We have a big paper coming at the end of the semester, but you guys can handle it. You're good at this stuff, and none of you has earned less than a B unless you are missing work and just not doing it. So when I get the work from you, you've demonstrated the ability to do it, and to do it at good to great quality. So if you'll work with me here and get me stuff to grade, I feel confident that your grade will be fine. You'll get your credit from the university, and things will go well for all of us. In the meantime, if I can help you, feel free to email me at school or at either address. I'm checking PPCC email as well, because if I didn't, my bosses there would get justifiably upset with me for not doing so. So you have several avenues you can contact me through. And I will get back to you. I'm sitting around grading work and updating things during the day on the different courses. So I don't promise to respond immediately to email, because stuff happens, but at the most it'll be 24 hours, and probably faster than that, because I'm monitoring stuff during the day, during what would normally be the school day. So best of luck. Remember, on the discussions where it describes on the schedule multiple posts, so a post and replies to a single topic, as split grade things, that's one topic, an original post followed by 2 replies. In D2L, they call it a thread. The first one, you start a new thread. So that's what they'll call your original post. And then reply to 2 different fellow students. And that's where that 60-point total will come from. It's mostly completion. If you're doing it and you're not blowing it off or just spouting gibberish on the D2L, if you're making what feels like a legitimate effort to engage the topic and engage your fellow students, you're going to get the points. So we're not looking for anything spectacularly difficult here. I think you'll find that even with the reading and the work we're doing, you are at most equaling the in-class time of a given week until we get further into the paper. And then that's going to take some doing, but that would have taken some serious doing outside of class anyway in the past. And it's a college class, so we should be expecting that. Best of luck to you guys. Have a good day. And I intend to post kind of a series of videos, getting a little bit more into material and looking at what you're doing to see how I can help over the weekend and into next week. So, bye.